we'll go down here into the footnote section, and I have a read and a watch. The footnote is extra information. I'm losing myself. Extra information to add on to what already is additional information to explain more than the text has. So here are two footers I put in there for you. Footnotes. You see the little number? Okay, and the computer numbers them for you. And then what happens is down at the bottom of that page, if you did it right, down here at the bottom, you'll have a space where you write notes about it, and the computer draws that line for you. If you need to get rid of a footnote because you put in the wrong place, then you would click and drag across very gently and press the delete key, and that will delete the little number upstairs, a little number downstairs, and if it's the last one, it'll take the line off for you. So here, your turn. Insert a footnote after the question. Here's a question. Type the answer to the question. So I'm going to click here. Have you used footnotes before? And I'm going to go up to, what's it under? What's it under? I didn't tell you. Better go back and add that. It's under, I don't know. It's up here somewhere, right? It's up here somewhere. You can find it. References, insert footnote. Look now, don't make a mistake and put an end note instead of a footnote, and your screen might look different depending on your monitor resolution. So we're going to say it made a 3 for us, and down here it made a 3, and say, yes, I have used footnotes before. Not so bad, eh? Okie doke. Now I scroll back up into the page, and I have another one to do. Make a second footnote. These will be numbers 3 and 4 since I made 2 of them. And the question is, what is a footnote used for? Click. And then References tab. Insert footnote. Pop down to the bottom of the page. A footnote is used to provide additional information. That's good enough. And then I'll scroll back up. And what happens actually is, as there gets more footnotes here, these lines that used to be up on the other page got moved down to the new page. And the computer does it for you.